Nagsagawa naman ang Public Governance Forum para malaman ang epekto ng mga inisyatibo para sa pagpapatatag ng pamahalaan. Ang detalye sa ulat ni George Bandola.
Hindi lamang sa pagpapalakas ng pagnenegosyo, kundi para mas mapag-igi ang serbisyo sa mga gobyerno. Kaya ginagawa ang Public Governance Forum, pinangungunahan ng Institute for Solidarity in Asia sa Philippine International Convention Center o PICC. Tinitiyak dito kung nasusunod ba ng maayos ng mga local at national agencies sa mga inisyatibang alinsunod sa performance system mula sa kilalang Harvard Business School.
We are a governance advocacy, so we enter into partnerships with national government agencies or local government units. Example, Armed Forces of the Philippines. We enter into a partnership with them. We agree on a program on how they should transform themselves, and we therefore check whether in fact they are delivering on the program. And one of the mechanisms for checking on whether in fact they're delivering the program is through a public governance forum.
Kapag naipatupad, paniwala ang National Competitiveness Council na hindi lang nito mapapalakas ang pamamahala, kundi maging ang pagninegosyo.
One of the programs that has been brought to me with potential corporate support is one where we can train them in digital literacy and in e-commerce. Now, this will help not only their ability to trade, but more importantly, their ability to trade on cross-border fashion, meaning internationally.
Sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, hindi na raw usapin gamitan na pangyera, kundi usapin na ngayon ang maayos na pamahala at paggamit ng mga available na kagamitan at tauhan.
We want the public to see us not only a responsible armed forces, but a responsive. We will be able to respond immediately for whatever threats that this 21st century challenges will bring us.
Ayon sa ISA, nalalapit na ang pagtanggap ng AFP ng ISO status dahil sa maayos na pamahala.
This is a complaint that I have as a Filipino in that we have neglected these past 10 or 15 years. We've allowed them to deteriorate. Their equipment has not been world class, and so we have quite a lot of catching up to do. And that's why they're talking about a transformation program, which is to make our armed forces precisely world class, a professional AFP that will be loved and trusted by the Filipino people.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.